Hello friends, welcome to Edukul Academy. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use ViewBinding in Android Studio. Before starting, make sure you are using Android Studio version 3.6 or latest version. If you don't have Android Studio version 3.6, then just update your Android Studio because ViewBinding available in Android Studio version 3.6 or latest version. Okay, now before starting the implement, just take overview of view binding. Just to open your browser and here you just type view binding and click enter. Here you see first link, click on it. Here the definition and what is view binding is available. View binding is a feature that allows you to more easily write code that interact with views. Once views binding is enabled in a module, it generates a binding class for each XML file, layout file present in that module. An instance of binding class that contains direct reference to all views that have an ID in the corresponding layout. Okay, here here's some setup instruction is here. Okay, you need to define the view binding enable in your app module gradle file. Okay, now let's start. Close it and create new project. Select new activity and just give the name demo view binding binding. Okay, and finish it. Okay, our project is ready. Now first of all go to your script and go to module app, and here you need to define element of view binding. View binding and enable is equal to true. Now sync the project. Okay, our element is added, and now go to our main activity and get okay, now create instance of ViewBinding class. Okay, private activity main binding. Okay, binding. Now here you need to initialize it. Binding is equal to activity and binding dot inflate. Call the method get layout inflator and colon it and create instance of view class view here is the curly skull. Just paste alt plus enter, and here is equal to binding dot get root class. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot equal to, and you need to uh, set content method, set content view method, and pass the view, and we don't need this, so just use it, and set the orientation vertical, and now we need to we don't need this, and we need a edit text to get the input of it, define the match parent and web content, and close the bracket and assign the ID, edit text, edit, edit text. Okay, and we need one more thing is button, set match parent and web content. No, this is just web content, and close it. Okay, gravity, here you need to define the gravity center. Okay, now with the padding of edit text, padding 10 pp, and with the hint enter user. Okay, and go to our button, and here is assign ID, OK button, OK button, and set the text. Okay, and here we need to do one more thing, edit text field. That's show the text. Okay, match parent, tag content, close bracket, and first of all give ID text. Okay, and come to set the padding and set the text size 20 dp, and text color set black, and take margin from top 20 dp, and set the heat here show. Okay, show data. Okay, now just go to your activity, and here we need to set on edit text, get the text from edit text, and when we click on the button, and text will be shown on text view. Okay, so just binding, call the binding dot OK button, OK button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, and here string is equal to text equal to binding dot binding dot add text dot get text dot to string, and when we click the button then text will be shown on text view. Okay, so that's why just call binding dot text view dot set text and path the string text. Okay, just run it. Generator. Okay, just say hello, hello, and click on it. Here you can see hello is printed, and whatever you just print Edukul, and click on it. There you go. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. If you like this video, then comment and like the video. Okay, thank you.